Have you ever wondered how you remember things? How your brain stores all those memories, from your first day of school to what you had for breakfast this morning? How about how you make decisions or even move your hand? Every little action you take, every choice you make, is orchestrated by your brain. It's all thanks to your incredible brain. This amazing organ is always at work, ensuring you can live your life to the fullest. This 3-pound wonder inside your head is the most complex organ in your body. Despite its small size, it holds the power to control everything you do. It's the control center, the boss, the big cheese. Without it, nothing else in your body would function properly. The brain is responsible for everything you do, think, and feel. From your happiest moments to your deepest thoughts, it's all managed by this incredible organ. Without your brain, you wouldn't be able to ride a bike, eat a delicious pizza, or even enjoy the simple pleasures of life, or even dream up your next big adventure. Your brain is the source of your creativity and imagination. It's constantly working, even when you're asleep. While you rest, your brain is busy processing information and preparing you for the next day. Think of your brain like a powerful computer, but way cooler. It's capable of performing countless tasks simultaneously, far beyond any machine. It processes information from the world around you and sends signals to your body, telling it what to do. Pretty amazing, right? Every sensation, every movement is a result of your brain's commands. Let's dive in and explore the different parts of this incredible organ. Each part has a unique role, contributing to the overall function of your brain. The brain is like a bustling city with different neighborhoods, each with a special job. Just like a city has areas for business, entertainment, and living, the brain has regions that handle various tasks. The cerebrum is the largest part, like the city center, where most of the action happens. It's divided into 2 halves, or hemispheres, each responsible for different functions and working together seamlessly. The cerebrum controls your movements, thoughts, and senses. It's like the city's main hub, managing everything from planning to feeling. Then there's the cerebellum, which sits at the back of your brain, quietly doing its job. This region is like the city's transportation system, keeping your movements smooth and coordinated, ensuring you get from point A to point B without a hitch. It helps you balance, walk, and even hit a baseball. Imagine trying to do these activities without a well-functioning transit system. Next up is the brainstem, a crucial yet often overlooked part. It connects your brain to your spinal cord, acting like the city's power grid, relaying messages throughout your body, ensuring everything runs smoothly. The brainstem controls essential functions like breathing and your heartbeat. Without it, the city's power would shut down. Each part of the brain works together in sync, just like a well-coordinated city, to keep you functioning at your best. Every region, no matter how big or small, plays a vital role in maintaining the harmony and efficiency of the entire system. Now let's zoom in even closer. The brain is made up of billions of tiny cells called neurons. They're like little messengers, constantly sending signals to each other. These signals travel through the brain like electrical impulses along tiny wires. But how do these messages get from one neuron to another? That's where neurotransmitters come in. They're like chemical messengers that help the signals jump across the gap between neurons. This gap is called a synapse. These neurotransmitters are super important. They control everything from your mood and emotions to your ability to learn and remember. Memories, more than just remembering. Speaking of remembering, how does your brain store all that information? Memory is like a complex filing system in your brain. When you experience something new, your brain creates connections between neurons. These connections are strengthened each time you recall that memory. It's like walking the same path in the woods. The more you walk it, the clearer the path becomes. There are different types of memory too. Short-term memory is like a sticky note, holding on to information for a short time. Long-term memory is like a giant library, storing important information for years. The brain's support crew and unsolved puzzles. But neurons aren't the only stars of the show. While they are crucial for transmitting information, they need a lot of help to function properly. The brain also has glial cells, which play a vital role in maintaining the health and efficiency of neurons. They're like the support crew, providing essential nutrients, insulation, and protection for the neurons, ensuring they can do their job effectively. Think of them as the stagehands, making sure the main act goes off without a hitch. Without glial cells, neurons would struggle to survive and perform. Even with all we know, the brain is still full of mysteries. There are countless questions that remain unanswered. Scientists are hard at work, trying to understand how the brain develops, how it ages, and what factors influence its changes over time. They are also focused on discovering new ways to treat brain disorders, aiming to improve the quality of life for many. The human brain is an incredible organ with so much potential. Its capabilities are vast and still not fully understood. So keep asking questions, keep learning, and keep your amazing brain active and engaged. The more we explore, the more we discover about this fascinating organ.